or your third vice chairman. Majority of Interforum were MPP muno. Me catch them say the reason why I am MPP for who Interforum be so much Jimmy say these are some of the things they use them for. Into 10 Ibaku any opportunity near Mano. He is the third vice chairman or third. Tornado, and you will see. All right, so let's take care of business. This is one story. I'm on for Kanwa Sempa. Almost say NPP 4. Now, Sanko 4, why are they still Sanko, these people? Why are they still at post? Where more until the Echo Sogan and Yobu, go via. Ah, Sanko 4, criminal battalions, Mensa. Into the Echo Sogan, Omoya. Do you people want us to charge on you before you leave the office, especially Boss Masari Jimmy? Do you people into the Echo Sogan and heat about Munhuana? Yansuma Jakpan Omra. We are asking, Sanko for me and so Bodamana, why are you still at post? Bibini, as a Bibini de Onyenipa. Uye Bibini, when would the echo? When you say, when you resign, it's better for you to resign. It is better for you to resign. But then would Jimmy to the until say the people start getting angry and coming after you people, right? You people, we want you people to resign. You people are trying to act as if say you are hard. Mo pese direct energy ba easy ho no mo meboa. Sa apie Jimmy bi no nam easy ho no. Why is he even still that kwa no? Mo pese dan ne aba mo ho. We will turn and come there. We can come there any day and take care of you people. And the taking care is dragging you people out of the office. Yan fe sanko bia, yan bu bia, yan attack bia. It is not democratic. We are never going to attack anybody, assault anybody. We are democratically going to come occupy the office and tell you people to walk home. We will take your car from you and tell you to walk home. It is better you people resign. What is wrong with you people? I don't even know what these people want. But to me, who danger? Then you wait for the danger to get to you. People want just a reason to come after you people. And people like us are trying to stop that tension. We are trying to slow people down. Oh, these are Ghanaians, let them resign by themselves. But the more you're stopping for anger towards you, now you people are still ready to say, why are you people doing that? Into say you will resign, Anna. As much as we are trying to calm nerves, calm people down, not to even get out of hand and just do, we are doing everything possible. Because we don't believe in violence. We don't believe in people attacking people because of their past and all that. No, that is not right. But you should have just put in a letter and say, please, I am done. Ana after this job, is this the only job you people can do? Jimmy way or than what it is or your day. Respectfully, resign. Put your letter in. Hey, you're too for Muntio. A biano sonoma and the order on the no. You're too for Muntie. In your best interest, resign. There's too much tension in the system. Resign. Leave the office. Let the office sit there. Now, man for from Mayor Jumano. Just leave. Yo, Madam MAAKYE. All right. Now, a NDC senior communicator, Napo, Wasaba, Edam. MAAKYE MPP before say, Akwawe mentally onye stable. Enkofone de ne ko Upper West. MPP for me dangerous o. Omekua to atrisia. Ombe we do this. Omekua. Omentume ko ombe o Jimmy. Napo de ne ko Upper West. Inti Napo before and I said time I yi ni say oyef running mate and one or board am. Onye stable biemo. Napo asaba. Na nsena system ni mo e cool kakra. Wati chain biem. This year not chain. When na ekwache no, eche obrafo. This year asati chain. Napo say we had improved as a country on illicit drug issues. I'm not talking about Reverend Intim Fojo. I'm talking about arresting more culprits in the last 3 months than in the 8 years we were in office. We at Napo. Napo said, oh, so do we need to form pa na share John Mahama bino? The Otebro for Chamber, we want to go church him. Napo says, so do we need to form John Mahama bedi akunwe, NDC ba bedi akunwe. Bosumu miensenya OnuaTV Ghana ashesbia NDC ebu maino. Osi eba ede enubone. Eba enubone a ye chichi. Yedi nipa ejina court. Ye stopping nubone a enku Ghana fo nkwara. Enubone cocaine, heroin. Enubone a kese osi. Since Onua ye politics no. Sa 3 months we NDC abana chire. Se eba ekun fight against illicit drugs. Osi odemajo Mahama ne NDC omaya adia papa. Osi Fojo de we Jimmy. Osi Intim Fojo de we Jimmy mama ye ntie na asem. Na emom odinani to forma bosumi miensen adia John Mahama ye no in Ghana politics. Adia mo betena so 8 years om ye no. Dia John Mahama ye eba se aban ekon edubone a. Osi 8 years Akufo no ba omia ene Onua nkasa Canada Japan oseche Mensa bonsu. NPP for tena so no ohun se omu ye Jimmy fu ankasa because John Mahama de bosom miensa wachire se so wonim nyansa na we ready se obeko age wo man a obetum de bosom miensa ye bibi intina po se sa bosom miensa we dwumadi a NDC adi brofo ni nie pizza for wa wote brofo chairman no kokeka no TikTok ko chechire mu foforo o say we had improved as a country on illicit drug issues. I am not talking about Reverend Intim. Or say, we make enubone wasem, enye Intim for George Jimmy for nasem na meko. Or to us no say, I'm not talking about Reverend Intim for Joe. I'm talking about arresting more culprits in the last 3 months than in 8 years we were in power. Or say, ma Ghana ni bia engini Intim for Joe asem no eba indubonia. Or say Intim for Joe Jimmy for. Na asem na nkasa nyina ne say opeso di no kura. Se opese Ghana fo hu nukura na o se NDC aban bosomi miensa we se ne o ma che eye nubonefo omo moton nubone omo de fa Ghana ewura Ghana no o se omo bedi su 8 years e bin si da na obo John Mahama ne NDC abaso Ghana fo sebio one de odi nukure kayemfa tumi no entoa so ma NDC wa wonti ase no kokan wo brofo ne ko kirikirem maka kirem se we ne dam no ye de ye ne dam se onka nukure. But oduru bebi a NPP for pe na ne dam na ba na okan kwase asem enti sibi a omde de ko upper west om ye ne say om say ada obehia eye NDC for ene Ghana for nyansafo bia onka no kore na ohia NPP for dia onjimi no ho saa aduro no omde ye no on say ende eduro na sa chi na oka no kore reporting free enfa TV3 and these are factor Napo opa onko court bia nka say yeboa the audio is there the video too is there. It is all your Ghana now your MPP in there. Now so to social media yet. What is social media yet? And MPP we are kwasia MPP for the say Ghana for the John Mahama ye in 3 months they been see that. We the running mate of Dr. Bawumia. Now him the Bawumia can or them. Bawumia no put and your body same John Mahama. But you said that form. A dear John Mahama ye in these 3 months they been see that. And then Napo and I catch them. Napo catch us so much bit social media at Facebook, YouTube, at TikTok, Kasatia MDC, Nipania Kwasia. Or Chamosa Omonomuya politicians, Omudi minus so, Omonomunim de John Mahama ye, or said dear John Mahama ye no, Busumi and saying about Okwa Kutia a in Nubone, any Omomudi Nubonea, or said John Mahama Jumao Dino, a Sonia Mini. Bosomi miensa pedia waye no Akufo de Jimmy for ne o mamba kan 8 years obuntu manye Napo ano asem what brofo che madam enyan o kire me English what brofo che madam enyan ono na kire me brofo makenkan dwudwa bi mu akire wo PZ ni we bie wonum Kevin be kire mu abuofunu ko eye radio station ekotie sa na ade asam ma betena fie mudi matam wie no ma betena fie wi asokodua ma abenkwan sinchen o twan mama kan brofo adwudwa mu otwi mu wate de ekoso Ghana o twen Wadi matem awie. Wadi matem. Wajina PZ ta video didi matem. Kwasi ato ade akyen a anadwo betena TV hu tie. O kan de brofo obeka ne twi ni ate ase. Ofui me kind of brofo san kan twi ma wo na ka woto na wudi mata na wusua brofo ka ho obubu ofu ene de asemesi and the empam mayor no and the empam Ashanti regional minister they say aromu nyame they say mayor Zuba na ebre Zuba the obebro ogofo we me take crowd for watch article be say do we even need a mayor in Kumasi as at before and they go Kumasi what be say ye kra hia mayor and they mu hia mayor I my din omatekulem Kevin bebo wenden abrante ne de ye tan kwa ono me hu de ko obekọ no mugugu enu asa na moka omo frɛ from frempa wa ba o omo ntimi mbɔ me din treasurer efrɛ chairman efrɛ de secretary amako na ye ha na yedum no na nka betuma ba ho kakra waba maba Onua o na be ne den ade mom de enukre yedi na tamba abrante ne de oka nokre saa na mo de hyehyɛ dem no moka omo text omo oso be yeyi o oso be yeyi o omo je omo TV ni wo ho no mo behwe me dan mo me enko enim abrante ne de enukre frempon de aka de enukre na mom say si bia kev saa na be before mo shop di nkomo so na se Kevin de enukre ba won say yentumi ma ensem na wo kan ngina ne na so enti de bia yenka so di otumfo atam say yanka saa de a ende be din o because 2024 abrante young man, she party, she body party na bedu, she di odi NDC abedu, she Joma Hama, and then nimu nyam, she Juma Mudi, or but TV so nipam pim adang. They said you better my yankas will do to for them. They say Okubu say so tune for den or kaya, yankas Mamma Kabibia. Omoko communications, from committee as Amco, Omubusa Mamma Kabia, Mokas will do to for them. No, we don't can say. Also, many a chairman, made a minute to be go, I not overcome as a man. Chairman say I na treasure so Bishop Church Gabby Abrante na no ya no na me ko kan enti obi antumi mbom din e na obi asori boy na mahama hide no body na me kire be kire draw se hyew munyina mo hwe me kan ne brofo nkire ne twi mu abuofunu watua me ka da bia mo sori John Mohammed tua Kevin Taylor ka na mo ho na tua mo ka enkwasiafo na mai se mpetem ma na mo detete bom mu no Impetem bana ma yesa bodo ton bom na sa akukọ na egu monu mo se den moto Kevin Taylor de Mohammed Tuanika na mo hwan ne tuamoka kwasi afomba mo me ko enim na ma me nkyere wade bi ya say NPP for said den in the next Mr. P Mr. S team give me the green light when it's time to do the Chief Justice story. See, let me know. Chief Justice time story do let me know. You will be doing it very soon. Very important. Now, NPP to sanction party executives, members, and communicators who publicly endorse prospective flag bearer aspirants. PZ for prospective. Montiasie, mumubi mwa mudimatem o chama majujum. PZ for mudu do se na mote prospective ase prospective montiasie. Aha, as what you want say kotodua. Didi matem Kevin Taylor onte prospective ase na woto odi matem o twan ma mema dwudwam na wo de akodi nkwase asem meboa you see NPP to sanction party executives what you say onte ase what so amede nkwase asem ye ka no kura kire wa wonte ase NPP to sanction party executives, members and communicators who publicly endorse what you say monte prospective what you say monte flag bearer aspirants what you say motiti we wu nyina ho na MPP nkwasiafo we bu mu PZ for muntie me dia da epono so nyina ne say yes MPP mo party no PZ for ni bi MPP for about PZ say PZ NDC for bebre ho omo de omo nim nyansa pa MPP for bi no mo ho no mo jimi no omo na me ne omo kasa enti mo amoya NDC for PZ de me ni problem you okay madwini ye adwuma amu nyina madwini ye MPP for ni bi no mo jimi no mo PZ no omo na me ne omo kasa me se me ntonto ma NDC amfa me ho na me oba na mate party de omo ka nyina ne say ya say mo party no mo PZ for ni bi MPP for no ya say mo party ni say well we executive of party nim anasa we member keke e de say mo a say bi PZ for no bi amonum kankan na mo say mo ye MPP members kuta card no ya say well be wa adwene say oba gina bedwom aka say me wo Kennedy anam wo ba omia no party ni say ye be yutu akonwa ye be pam wo free party msa aboa intenda no ya kama no ma no boa hyem yam party ba ko amodo mo ko join here more than nwan muntumi mpo more than nkra muntumi nya wo muntumi nya me esi ari nyina gum yam ye ka kire mo se enye party ntende o MPP ni ma so opekene dia untumi nka wadane ofui na otim opa ba omi a untumi nka wadane ofui na otim party we na moka se emechikire Ghana no party obi antumi enya ne right entumi nya ne freedom to speak on things nyoma ehia no any nipa o mo support we your party. This is not a political party. We crack can also say this party is not democratic enough for any intelligent person to be part of. How can a political party issue a statement say nobody can go out as a communicator, as a member to say media me do Kennedy media me do Baumia party na why dia inti yentumi nche nipa yede ne chi a edenti na di party ne chi. If it's the leadership of the party mu amwase on say mwejimi because omo wu say muntumi fa ma adwene nye adwuma omo wu say party na mudi akire no mudi akire because obi aka bibia tumtirim na enye the application of common sense for you to understand say me di party achi a or say tell say democracy ye adwuma or say tell say freedom of speech ye adwuma or say tell say party ye no unity. We are all respecting each other's view. It is some NDC na me support Joshua Labi and I me support John Mahama. NDC for start your campaign now man 40 radio so selected your pen. Did you hear anything like that? But MPP the Jimmy. The party belongs to a group of people. And internet ende MPP say ya call elections. You losing elections. Ya call quiet meeting. Ya try report about the may losing elections no. You we see a mamu who report no. Yani yakoto aba. Yani a party for yani a tier dues hwankwase ade na obi beka se ai na se NDC for ye no NDC for de no so sa kwase koto de bodwe NDC for so oba fa nkyere se NDC for fa nkyere mo so fa nkyere e wo so tier se NDC for do no kenkan ti ase mumudu do no omuntumi nkan ko school nti ase it very important say mo de be ma ye ne ya kenkan kyerkyere bo nkofo na ase na munim se mabokro no we have the report here. Mensah, I know my team told me, say, we should hold on a couple of days before we release the report. We have the report. In the report, the problem now, of course, we defeat, at the end of the day, the one person catch them, Baumia, Kennedy, and Akufo, utterances. And most importantly, the party in conform parties a tribal and a corrupt party. Kusibuati ndi were reporting him. Kusibuati and a yeri di were reporting him. Chairman won't me di were reporting him. They talked about the high level of corruption. In fact, omo ya report na the Haptel Baumia company ni di ni bamu e were reporting him. Kennedy Japan and Nyoma or ye in opposition. And some or any contract or Gia Ekotia party no, Nina report no. I didn't release the party no report no. The reason one person release the report and they say they release the report now. Fashion be befa etia fashion be. But do you know what they are doing? They have given the report to the Baumia team. Nana B and a catcher and Amfo. They have given the report to the Baumia team. And you know what they are doing? They are making the Baumia team study the report. Send a beya omo communicators in the bar. They will see the way they will talk. Samira Baumia kwa di will report him. Samira Baumia ni di will report him. So what they have done in say they have given the report to Baumia team no, and they have told them to study it, and that is how their talking point is going to be, because they want Baumia team no enya leverage over Kennedy Japan or seche Mensah bonsu any omamaka no. Until right now no, what is happening they say omo Baumia communication team no study report no. Omo we are normal pick partner ekotia omo omaka no, because omo partner omo pese bubehu. Samira Baumia di wom, Kusibuati di wom, Kusibuati yiri di wom. All these people are in the report. I know what I'm telling you. And then I can also person report no, but Chief Justice there here and internet and the Chief Justice there no. Mekani nyine dwudwam amagana fo hu. Boje si ejimi. Mo person party no, mo moving into one ship. Ba Amudu Baumia ni Kennedy Japan any omamaka. Me I don't care about MPP whoever comes, because MPP no matter who represent MPP, NDC will be in power for 42 years and over. It's a fact. And I don't care whoever leads the NPP. But the rough tactics now will play a part in any time. Sa elimination by rough tactics, no, and then every time. Me MPP new, me started say MPP ni, and there's nowhere me jira baby from me card in chiro be say me jira MPP. Me jirem. In fact, me kai time ye koyi new executives. Na bi mu take over na me Samia Wuku kasa. Na me Samia Wuku din komo. The day no mu yi mu new executives. Na bi be national organizer. Any JFK mo be LED that night. I was on phone with Samia Wuku. We didn't come around and we see meetings and more party way. It's my guy being jamo. Sir, reports on some farmer. They know what they are doing. Deliberate. Yakwa election in the history of the Republic of Ghana. Obian losing over 1.8 million votes. 38%. Okay, I'm so far reporting in Chile. Now, how do you want us to resolve our problems and move forward? Nana Akufo by meeting, I say he is the major problem. Nana Akufo is still in charge of the party. How do you move forward? Now, I mentioned Adebi. Oh, it's our story. A very important story. Mr. P, Mr. S, team, should we just go straight? And the video be now in for airbo about MPP, third vice chairman. Third vice chairman. Now you say MPP for your press conference. Now the third vice chairman of the NPP, no, we push it TV3 for Mike Adwenepa. Me, I don't care. It's between TV3 and me. A political party. You choose how to send your message. You can choose to use one platform to send your message. It is the political party behind the strategy. So I am not the one to speak for TV3 or I don't care about that. But a political party having a press conference. Now a third vice chairman. This is what happened. Now we're picking a media house mic. No, watching.
You can't say the minority okay, chief for unfortunately we cannot solve unfortunately we cannot solve unfortunately we cannot solve
okay, I'm going to be assembly mekano hade bia na amanfo njimi ndi entafo no mo MPP no mo jimi chen bibia uhu teni no MPP mu a why so dying a third vice chairman majority of entafo no mo MPP mu no me catch them say the reason why I na MPP for no who entafo ni bi so mo jimi ne say these are some of the things they use them for. Entiteni baku any opportunity near mano. He is the third vice chairman or third. He is the third vice chairman. Third. Vice chairman 1, vice chairman deputy, vice chairman deputy 2, vice chairman deputy 3. Ya man position pa or 2 4 we not anymore. Sanke ya yan by ranker on the titi bini wa party chairman level. Part 3. My catcher must say, this party NPP, it is not a political party. You see, it was built out of lies, and many animal when afoni bini entafoni bina omwe jimino. Every time they enter the NPP, they are trying to prove themselves to Asantefonia Kamfono mo party nim. It is a kodi bini peno makodi bini. Ebianim Salam Mustafa, omu youth organizer no. Debiano omu no mu ye ingansamono. Debiano hey. Yani hey, ya wakuntokwa na akamfonia santefona edin. For 8 years a MPP for disika. On say achimfo no ene asantefoni disika no na entafo nkwasiafo ni bi no mo party no omo no mo ye nkwasi adwuma Wednesday di. On say oforiata di sika ni nyina wie na ye wie ni e pe obi ablem no no ene ekofa Amin Adams baaye ono so Jimmy osemeye. So osho video say I keep telling you sa entafo na mo MPP no dodo na Jimmy. And this is a typical example. Obeka se me din tafo atem no. I am showing you Maka bibia kire mo say hwe the same person na obo mic to twene oni on the can asem we. Akwawe, I swear to God, I will kill any officer who raids my house. Or your third vice chairman, Yarebia bi won ho. Na yeka so ye tenia, yeka se teni nkremonia, automatically osanka hu nyansa. Because at least onya kura no, onim say eye de Muhammad, eye peace be unto him. Onyankopon efa ne so, ede na asem sebio ekyerɛkyerɛ nkremusum no at least saa nyansa ne de ba hwɛ agwawe tenia ɔde ne moma bɔfom why so dwan agwawe ɔnkyerɛ anything ɛkyerɛ sɛ ɔyɛ nkremoni papa nkremoni a ɔpɛ peace nkremoni a yɛde nkremusum atetew nkremoni a ɔyɛ asɔle sala 5 times a day nkremoni a wote the 5 pillars of Islam ase. How can you be behaving and speaking like this with Jimmy? Because he's in the midst of Asantifonia Akamfo. Now Junior say, of the minority. Now Junior say, or say, oye bibi beyond near consider say oye nipa. Into a whole political party is having a press conference. Now a third vice chairman, Abo Mike Atwachini, Kwasia. These are some of the words he used.
Sisiano, Obiada, Mont Danjano. Because see I mean wukano Ghana engineer ye because uti wufie Abraham we won bokro no won ka sambia eye bone uti ha no hu say nkrofo aba attack wufie in the name of national security. Because be me ka we there say we are banned by enemies. Say dia grow na di asem way ese politics adie wuti hoya se si anomu ransaki afie no obehu before obehu no mu start kuku nipa to say me Alhaji Masaudu by the power that has invested in me as the national vice chairman of the New Patriotic Party me to me fear is legon now me tisa na there is no any notice. No any verbal notice. Say, if you be me fear, and I warrant be, and I call be now, and I me say, conform about me fear direct say, ombe take me there, and ombe ye bibia. I will deal with them as criminals. I will deal with them as armed robbers. Mbe kuni power.
Oh, I like it.
Me donya me say uba me fear na
oh yeah, vice.
Oh, na me advice be ma obi kuni.
Say win to me nkase.
Me ma obi kuni.
The business na say be saba. You know the appropriate quarters to channel your BBI.
If you are alive, that you can go to appropriate quarters. What about if you die? So,
Broni bia owura broni papa bia hospital o mani nkofie. Yare won ho de te wono. Ontumi nya press up 4. Ne nase nyina tatai. Why say benku asi bodurom. We owura broni papa bia hospital because they sit there, hey, you are danger to the community. You can die in public transport. You can die in the subway. You can die on a child. We broni papa bia hospital papa bia mani pie. Hwe nkwase akeka. Because Oma catch mu turum say ya kato ntafo ni bi omo MPP mu ni say so our party ma ye tutura sem ene de be ma recognize o so mo jimi ntafo no mo MPP mu no mo jimi bruta achimini onye oseche Mensah bonso ade we onye MPP chairman na oya santini osede onye adentina teni na oya third vice no yes sir if you say inferiority complex or tia santifonia kanfom at the end of it, my Jimmy Mihuma noticed. And no, I know Hono. Messi Broni Papa Bia Hospital, Aqua Rawa, Yabe Mantamano. Yarebia be one, Okasa Crow Teso. Way Ojan main gate, that's will be able if you or Trimika for 2 hours, be what the council, and so will all to you for test to go for 2. We mono, now body, and a body. Amu yen, and no MPP. Yeah, inferiority complex nti. Na adwene ye ne say me when people no men Jimmy me home more because Jimmy say na be na be third vice. Now just as anti for party we ye hia mo di party ni man kanya of chairman. Because omo we nim na omo pese 10 need to so ebe the face of the NPP. Inti ye de wa shase na odi bini. Enkwase ade ba wo na wo betumi abeko. Mesi akwa we bro ni papa bia hospital room a ye be kekere na to. Because oman a little bit of room obewu ada also. Oyare, where Oyare? He's sick. Can't you see? He's not healthy. Wait, he's sick. He looks sick. On to me, press up 3. Obewu him. And when you listen to his level of thinking, you could see, say, if these are the kind of people leading the party, then there's a problem. This guy cannot write his own name. And with all due respect, and your school near they assessing the intelligence, but Obu Oha Onko school that but Okasa to was say Jimmy. And this is a typical example of 10 year with Jimmy or the MPP. And tough when answer for would never do this. I'm telling you, 10 years any 10 year, yes, I've heard a large or young crimini or yet 10 on your sound quasi with that. Never. Sadia okay, what you say about Umiabeka? Because MPP for Uba Umia say, Sa Baumian tough one type on Omnian such a wimu, and some the wimu young quasi Jumano. Into women guasi ono bugri na abunkwara police dogs mekunipa wallahi sa na asantefo na be di power na achemfo na ba ne de waye nkwase adwuma 8 years obetiese ba ko awu ade be chin la ila ida la ne ato na to atwene kwase asem say ya because party no mu no because of inferiority complex no every time be no person ye bibi mi ehu say ye nya tani ba ko that is their problem. Enti oka say no na Ghana for so mokoto aba mawana. This same person, these are some of the things he said. NPP men should revenge the attacks. Go home and bring out your guns. Just say obia oyehufu obia no kasa osituo announced the here. Cowards. Obia oyehufu obia no ontumi kasa se bema say first fight another be go and bring your guns. Go and bring every ohufu obia sa no kasa. Akwa we so etu da edem na kaso onko famra o ma the 2 minutes a obekodo wewu no ateso on first test no kofa tu obeba do other test to wewu the two nyina ben way but we allow these people or young kwasi adwuma ma kanfo party we eduru menhia ye hyehyɛ nkonwa kwakote na chire na okura party na odi achire na otwe hutuo no ye busa sa party no be efiri kura wonte ase wo party no mu hu sa wo ya aboa wo akamfo asantefo party omo hu tani ni se wagimi me papa no wa me fere papa na oba oda wechi no obewu se na me kunu oya mmoli sei ai na wo ye hajia na wo kunu ni a oye third vice o as a party no on tete bini muna fiki we mu nyina mu preko omo ba na we pa ma no ho ye de enya bia wallahi wala oboa omo wi preko omo no preko nkwan we mu nyam wi preko we mu nyam wi preko okoro bo de jantra fo echi a isen en saman we mu but answer that kwesi wewu adan a we nya pressure da jantra ni so wewu o de obete one day yesi a okokwa akudi oda jantra ni so wewu we mu nya alaji fo papa wo ne ehu alaji fo papa da na yehu alaji fo papa omo de nyankopon asem ye adwuma ne yesi na de be hu nkremofo papa enkremofo ni bi omudi MPP echi menka nkremofo kura entafo ni bi na omudi MPP echi no dodo na jimi they are not in the MPP because they want to join the party. They are in the MPP because they want to feel to say a sense of belonging. Because what we say, so I call NDC mua, you're on crime foam, you're on una foam, you're on tough foam, you're crobble foam, you're every tribe womb. It is so difficult for you to think say you are special. You are not. In the NDC, nobody is special. In the NDC, everybody is equal. You need to work hard from the bottom to be recognized. And that means you need to understand how you work your way up. It is not about young huneninti partner hunenina de buy it also be leader. It does not work like that in the NDC. And you say, oh yeah, teninti, maybe a John Muhammad telling president or say by force be general secretary. It does not work like that. The NDC people are in there because they see everybody as co-equal. But over MPP ni moi, Yehu ntafo ne so omo jimi. Yehu omo nya asantefo ne so omo jimi. Yehu omo nka mese so omo jimi. Even in the akamfo no krampo no. Eye NPP for asantefo no hu infantefo no so omo jimi. NPP asantefo no bi ehu bonofo no so omo jimi. NPP asantefo no bi ehu eye akamfo no maka ne so omo jimi. Inti party na nkasa mu no there's division. It is a teniba na so who say NPP asantini embu infantini oya kanni. NPP asantini bi embu eye bunini oya kanni. NPP asantini bi embu eye den ebia eye enzimani bia. Now on the teni no, he needs to find a way to be recognized. And it's na who eye interfo do no more NPP no e Jimmy more than akamfo no. That is the trick. Eye inferiority complex. Jimmy more ni who Jimmy, that is all. There's nothing unique.